guys? Welcome back to another vlog, or if not, welcome back to the vlog. I'm not exactly sure if I checked in yet, but like I said, if not, happy that you're here, happy to be here. Today has just been a crazy busy day. Went to the gym this morning, had a really good workout, came home, showered up, and then I started filming just a ton of stuff. If you could see literally behind me right now, my apartment is, it literally looked like a tornado just hit up in here. I have cameras, tripods, outfits, pieces all over the place, but nonetheless a very busy yet productive day. And then low-key I was kind of doing some online shopping too, which is kind of funny because that's like a part of my job, but like it is but it isn't. But you guys know what I'm trying to say. Maybe later on in the vlog, actually, yeah, maybe I'll do that. Stay tuned for like a little bit after this. I'll show you guys what I have my eye on in terms of online shopping, because I have some really great affordable kind of summer pieces that I'm going to pick up, and so I figured why not maybe just add it in this vlog and share with you guys. So if you kind of like my style, you can kind of get your hands on what I'm gonna get for the summertime, so stay tuned for that. So obviously just been working away, filming all this stuff, definitely worked up an appetite. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep one of my meals from Factor. Shout out to Factor for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. If you guys watched my last vlog, or my last vlog, you would have seen me work with them. I'm excited to see what I'm going to eat today. Maybe I'll show you guys like in my fridge, or maybe not, but this is my fridge. Latest ultrasound of my baby girl. She's coming in June, super excited. Let's go ahead and grab my meals that are in here, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna get. All right, so I got it right here. This is what the packaging looks like. Of course, it's Factor. I'm gonna go for the Mediterranean grilled chicken today, and then in the back it just has the nutritional facts as well as the preparation instructions, how to cook it and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep this, just poke some holes in it, throw it in the microwave. Super easy, super convenient. And as this is prepping, I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about Factor, why I like their service so much, and how I feel like it could be really beneficial to you and your lifestyle. So a little bit more about Factor. Factor provides balanced eating made simple. They provide a menu each week with dozens of delicious, nutritious meals based on your taste preferences, dietary restrictions, and meal history. So you can choose from meals, or they can craft your order, which is super convenient. Each meal is cooked from scratch by real chefs using the freshest ingredients, and your order is conveniently delivered fresh to your door, never frozen along the way. As you can see me doing it right here, Factor meals are super easy to kind of cook up. They're just heated up in your microwave in minutes, and they truly take care of all of the fuss and all of the overthinking when it comes to getting high quality meals in your rotation. Personally, for me, I love this kind of service because I live a fairly active lifestyle. I live a pretty busy lifestyle, but I also want to be cognizant of the meals and the things that I'm eating and consuming. They also offer Factor Plus, which is their add-on service that you can choose from additional proteins, juices, soups, energy bites, veggie sides, and desserts. I personally love the juices that you guys are seeing on the screen right now. These 3 flavors are definitely 10 out of 10. I have a discount code so you guys can check out Factor and save yourself some money off of their services. My discount code is on the screen as you guys can see, and I will be sure to leave a link as well as my discount code typed out in the description box down below. And thank you again to Factor for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel and just getting me right for this year as well as this upcoming summer. All right, so as promised, I want to share with you guys some things that I have my eye on when it comes to the upcoming summertime. All of these pieces are super affordable, and of course, after I purchase them, these are going to be like key pieces that you guys are going to see me kind of styling for the upcoming summertime. I have 6 pieces that I want to just run through really quickly. Literally, as soon as I kind of finish up filming for the day, I'm going to go ahead and place an order for these pieces because I really want them. So starting off with this contrast stitch shirt from Zara with the matching contrast stitch shorts. These pieces right here are going to be such a staple for me. I love kind of the contrast stitch for the summertime because I feel like it's a great way to kind of switch it up from the traditional like black and white and like neutral tones without doing too much. I feel like the contrast stitch is, you know, it's giving what it needs to give. It's just that little extra touch of casual flex without, again, doing too much. The fit on this shirt is amazing. I love the oversized kind of exaggerated pockets, and I feel like the fit is going to be really nice. And then of course it has kind of that open revere style sort of collar that just reads and is just so perfect for that spring summer flex. It's about like $45–50 each piece, so $100. But if you think cost per wear, you can style it together, style it individually with other things. All right, so let's kind of dive into Abercrombie. I feel like they are just, in my opinion, their whole overall rebrand is just so good. 10 out of 10. And I feel like specifically the essentials line that they have. So if you go on the Abercrombie website and you type and you go to like the men's section, there's going to be a drop down section to where you can choose where you want to go. Obviously, you got to go to the A and F essentials. That's kind of where I'm pulling all of this stuff from. First thing that I want to talk about is this essential full zip hoodie. It comes in a ton of colors, as you guys can see. I personally want it in this really nice cream colorway. I feel like this is going to be so good for kind of the more colder nights in spring and summer. And then you guys already know what it is. You already know how I feel about these loose workwear jeans. Sorry if you hear my dogs. If you hear my dogs in the back. Kia just got home, so they're like going crazy. Let me just break and then I'll come back. You guys already know how I feel about these loose workwear jeans. I have them in so many colors, but the one that I'm specifically showing you guys is in the denim option. And this is new. I've never seen this before. Something about me, I stay on the Abercrombie website. I'm always checking to see if they have like new stuff, and this is new. And so this specific wash right here is, in my opinion, gonna be so nice and such a great option for that spring, summer flex, particularly summer when I wanna wear jeans on the event that it's not too hot. I'm thinking this white tee and maybe my like Array New York boots, black cap, bag, call it good. All right, and then the last couple pieces are from H&M. Both pieces are $24.99. This is the Relaxed Fit Resort shirt. This shirt is just gonna be super essential for the summertime. I love shirts like this. My top tip when it comes to H&M, Zara, and even Abercrombie, and just specifically fast fashion, affordable stores in general, is to always size up. Their stuff, of course, isn't made with the best quality and the best materials, so you kind of want to make sure that you're a little bit more mindful with your purchases. But with that being said, you want to make sure that you size up because of the fact that it's not really made with the best materials most of the time. So when you wash it, it shrinks. Kind of similar to what I've been saying about everything else. So many styling options. I'm just going to get it in black for like that simple flex. This is going to be a great option for if I have to go somewhere a bit dressier. I could style it with cropped trousers, maybe some sneakers or like some mules. And then the Relaxed Fit cotton shorts. I always gravitate towards shorts from H&M during the summertime just because I feel like I'm not the type of person to invest in shorts. I personally don't really like shorts on me, and so this is going to be kind of a great option because it kind of does the job, but it's not going to break my bank. And so this also comes in a really nice white color. It's almost kind of like a creamy vanilla color, which I really like too, but I'll probably just stick to the black. And I really wanted to share with you guys kind of my affordable options and my selects, because I get a ton of comments asking for more like affordable based videos or just like a more affordable options. And so hopefully this kind of segment within the vlog helped you out. No, I did not switch up. I don't wear just designer stuff. They're all designer this and that. I still love me a good Zara, Abercrombie, H&M, and just like those kind of vibes too. So especially during the summertime. So I will be again purchasing these, and you guys will be seeing me wearing these, styling them up, and maybe getting some Instagram, TikTok content featuring outfits styled up with these pieces right here. I want to end the vlog by sharing with you guys my just kind of initial thoughts of the Loewe Puzzle Bag. So this right here is the Loewe Puzzle Bag in the classic sort of leather that Loewe uses for this bag silhouette. As you guys can see, I picked it up in a really nice deep green color. So when it comes to the size of the bag, if you guys watched my NYC vlog, you would have seen I tried on the mini version, the regular size that almost everyone has, and then I tried on this size. As soon as I tried on the large, I was like, yup, this is it. This is the size that I want. I just felt like the mini, for me personally, is a little too small. I'm not really into small bags currently. And then the medium to like regular size version, I feel like it's nice and it was a great everyday option, but I personally feel like you guys already know what it is. I own so many other just amazing, great other everyday options when it comes to bags. So when I tried on the large, even though it is a pretty large bag, hence the name, I feel like it was a little bit different for me, but still in line with something that I can get a ton of use out of. So I decided to go with this size. So in terms of the color, I feel like that's kind of something that is a little bit different for me, but at the same time, still so in line with my personal style. So when I tried it on in store, I actually tried on this size in the black as well as the gray colorway. And those were the two colors that I was kind of going back and forth on. And then the sales associate at Loewe was like, do you want to see this green color? And initially I was like, I'm good. I'm not really into green. It's not really my personal style. And she was like, well, let me just show it to you just in case and just for fun. And I was like, all right, cool, bring it out. So she brought it out, and as soon as she unboxed it, she put it on the table. Me and my homie Jordan, we kind of looked at each other and we were like, yup, that's it, that's the one. And with all that said, I'm super excited and I'm really happy that I picked it up in this size as well as this color. I feel like I'm just gonna get so much wear out of it. The quality and just like the overall attention to detail of this bag is so crazy and it's so good, and rightfully so, because it was definitely an investment and it was definitely a hefty price tag. And so, you know, you would hope that bags like that cost that much are made well. And I'm not gonna lie, that's not the case all the time, but with this Loewe Puzzle Bag, specifically the large option, I can definitely say that the quality, the price tag, all that stuff is definitely through and through 10 out of 10. Overall, I'm just super stoked that I was able to, one, get my hands on this bag, and two, just comfortably get this bag. I feel like it's things like this that, you know, it's definitely not about the designer items, it's not about the price, and it's not about like money in general. It's just more so for me, I remember when I started my channel way back, like 7 years ago, and I used to dream about having things like this. And it's just so crazy that I'm able to comfortably afford things like this nowadays. Granted, I did, and I plan to sell a few things to kind of make up for the price of this bag, because like I said before, it was definitely an investment. And so it's kind of one of those things, I always believe when you buy one thing, you should kind of at least get rid of like 2 to 3 things. And so I will definitely be selling some stuff online, so keep my Instagram for that. It's not about the designer bag, it's not about this specific piece in general, it's just about the fact that I was truly able to kind of curate this life for myself, this life that I've always wanted. And it's just like little things like this that, you know, to some people, it's all subjective, right? It could be little, it could not be little. I'm gonna kind of keep my opinions to myself, but it's just like things like this, like key moments like this that really make you realize like, damn, I came a long way and I'm super proud of myself. And I say it all the time, but I feel like I never say it enough. Shout out to you guys. It's just like, it's like, I feel like I'm so discombobulated with my words right now, because I'm just forever thankful, and it's just crazy. Like, I feel like this is just so much more than a bag to me. It's just a kind of a physical representation of just everything that I worked for. So super excited. You can definitely be expecting a ton of outfits with this bag right here. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I think I'm gonna end it here. So like I said, give it a thumbs up. Links to everything will be in the description box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.